Well, Apple is expected to announce its largest launch of new products in history today, with fans hoping to see the latest version of the iPhone 14, a second-generation Apple Watch, and new AirPods Pro.
Okay, joining us right now with the latest on Apple's Far Out event is our favorite CyberGuy. Go to CyberGuy.com for everything Kurt Knutsson is going to talk about. He's live in Cupertino. Kurt, I've got the iPhone 13 in my hand. Tell us about what we think the 14 is going to look like.
Well, I think it's not going to change the look. Good morning to all of you. I don't think you're going to see a big, giant change in the, Brian, good morning, look of the iPhone. You might see this little notch that they have at the top of the iPhone. There's some rumor that that's going to get adjusted to a little, I don't know, more like a hole punch. So we'll see that. But remember how far we've come, because today a big day for the iPhone 14 as it comes out. But look at the size. This is the old 4. This is what, second or third generation iPhone that came out, and this is today's. I think what we're going to see come out here, and you're good if you didn't upgrade your phone for a while, but what we're going to see is possibly more expensive iPhones coming out in the line. Because, frankly, people will still spend the money.
Sure.
And they're doing it when it comes to devices like this. Are we going to see a folding iPhone? No. I don't think we're going to see that just yet, but I do think they've got that in the works. The other thing people are really talking about, and here we are approaching Christmas, the Watch. Watch Series 8 expected to come out. Big advancements with health expected. And then there's a new watch coming, a whole new evolution to the product, which is an athletic, super-powered, high-end Apple Watch Pro is rumored to come out here a little bit later. And on perfect timing, you see the technology of a leaf blower right behind us. But in this stage that's behind us, in a matter of hours, I will have my hands on all the goodies that they do come out with. This year, really looking to see them try to make up for the loss of sales in, especially in China, and also, hey, Russia, they pulled out of there. That did take a hit to the company. And but here in the U.S., even though you see those prices come up, go up a little bit, if they do, and I think they will, for a new iPhone 14, I think you're going to start to see the wireless carriers start battling a little bit more. So you may see more of those deals come out where you have that sort of trade-in offer so that they can get you onto their wireless carrier network. So later today, we'll be inside. I'm actually FaceTiming, I think, Steve Ducey. No, I actually hit somebody else, but accidentally on the phone. So whether they fix the butt dial aspect of the iPhone or not, I don't know if that's coming in this version.
I think
but
we
are going to see new iPhone software.
That's right.
We're going to see new software coming out pretty soon, free for anybody. So even if you don't jump on the bandwagon here and all of Apple's marketing to get you into a new phone, you're going to be able to make your old iPhone new again, and we'll show you how to do that online.
Plus, as well, new AirPods today as well. Kurt, thank you very much. We will check out your website, cyberguy.com.